Hello everybody, this is Gage Taylor with Taylor Bantams coming at you with a new video here today, showing you the new pairs that I got put together just a couple days ago. These three pens right here have all of my Tracy Hill males in them. This is a Elvis paint line BB red hen out of BB golden. I'm really curious what she's going to throw with this male. They should be really nice chicks. And here we have a Lance Door blue-red hen. Very beautiful girl back there. Really excited to get some chicks off of her. This pair should throw 50-50 splits. I believe 1 or 2% of these guys will sport out. Really curious to see what I can get. In here we have a Elvis Pate BB Golden hen. Really curious to see what these guys will throw as well. What I'm hoping is to darken up the BB Golden with this pair and get a wider tail spread using this male right here. Oops, sorry. Using this guy. Should do a good job at winding the tails. He has a pretty wide tail. In here we have a pure Elvis Pate pair. Hen is just BB red out of BB golden. Pure BB golden male. What I'm looking to accomplish with this pair is darken up the overall color of this male. I'd like to see a lot darker hackle and potentially take care of the little barring issue he's got going on, if you can see right there. But overall, I really like this male. Really nice widespread tail. Good posture, nice wings, good leg color. Just need to work on his hackle and saddle. Hopefully this hen will correct that for me. Down here I've got the same silver duckling pair. Same male, same female. GC line female, and Alan, I forget his name. It's my buddy Alan in Linden. Alright, Lance Door blue-red male to a let's see what's his name. Cody Cooper hen. These guys should throw some really nice babies. Really excited for these blue-red pairs that I have. Pure BB Reds, Cody Cooper line. Beautiful birds. These guys should throw me some amazing offspring. And then in here, I think this is my favorite pen. I've got my line cockerel to Tell Orton line hen. She should darken up his color, give him a better posture, wider spread tail. Fix up these little flaws that he has, like down here in his legs. If he'll turn again. He's got a little bit of gold down there. His knees, I suppose. Right there. There we go. Got a little bit of gold down there. Hoping that she'll correct that. I think this pair will throw some really nice chicks for me. Then I still have these boys. They're not paired up yet. They are going to be paired. Let's see. This guy up front, right here, he's going to be paired up with a newer hen that I've got paired. Well, actually, she was in this pen. Gonna pair him with the other hen. She was being a pain, always wanting to get out. She didn't really like that male, so separated her out. This is my other blue-red maker pair. I'm really excited for these guys as well. Not really liking the cold today. But this is a BB red out of blue red that I've mentioned before. Danny J. Moore bloodlines right here. My buddy Gage Reynolds. Check him out on YouTube, G&H Bantams. Got some really nice birds as well. These are kind of my pet birds right here. I'm gonna use this hen in my breeding this year, but this male, he's just gonna hang out. Probably gonna do some just crossing with him. Nothing too crazy. He's my boy. He's kind of my pet. Like him a lot. Excuse me, sorry. Over here. Got my white. Let's focus, there we go. Got my white rooster, also from Gage Reynolds. Going to be crossing him to my Lance Door hen. He should throw some really good offspring for me. Very, very nice bird. Spilled his water. I'm gonna get a side profile of him. There we go. There's a decent little side profile. Down here we have all the cross colors. These ladies, oops. These ladies recently started laying. I'm really excited about that. I'm really hoping to get some really nice chicks off of these guys. Colorful, that is. Get some really pretty birds off these guys. Got my lemon blue in here. I don't have a rooster for her, so I'm just gonna be crossing her till I can get a rooster. Got a BB Golden that I got out of my cross colors. Curious to see what he and this hen will make. She's a beautiful little pullet. Then I've got all of my GC line silver duckwing cockerels in here. These three. Got my line BB red pullet. Cross color right here. Oh! And then back there you'll see that's my main cross color rooster. He wasn't getting along with the other boys, so I just threw him in here while he learns his place. He's the father of that little splash pullet back there. And both of those boys next door. I'll show you the whites. My Lance Door whites. They're looking good. Got both these guys plucked their tails so they can feather out better. Really looking forward to how they'll feather out. This pen. Sorry guys, I got my pens locked up. Keep these guys safe. This rooster's struggling a little bit with the cold, so gave him some vitamins and whatnot, hopefully to help him out. That's why I got him moved into this pen. It's much warmer, and I think he'll do a lot better. Here's that hen that I'm wanting to pair that other silver duckling with, forgive me, over on the other side of the chicken yard. Then this hen, I'm going to cross to my Alimanado Azteca males that I have. Not sure which male. She's got blue legs. I'll show you. Yep, there you go. You can see she's got blue legs. See her blue legs right there. Really pretty hen. I like her a lot. I think she'll pair really well with them. I'm not sure if I want to pair her with my blue leg male or my white leg male. Incorporate that blue leg gene into the white legged guy, or try to make pure blue legs. I'm not sure. We'll see. Then show you my brown red Aztecas in this pen. These guys are doing great, much better. This male was sick a little bit ago, and he's already back to 100. He's doing great, looking great. Messed up his tail a little bit, but I think I'll be able to pluck his tail and he'll look better. Guys, the babies off of these guys are looking really good so far. I have a pair coming up that will likely be for sale here pretty soon, so if anybody's interested, let me know. They probably won't be ready to go till late spring, early summer, so if anybody's interested in pictures later on, let me know. Contact me at 385-454-8684 or drop a comment down below. But yeah, I do believe that wraps everything up. A little update. This girl came back. Come on, girl. There you go. Alright guys, that wraps everything up. All of my updates for today. Thank you for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Hope to see you in the next video. Enjoy. Good luck breeding out there, everyone. God bless you. Bye-bye.